Welcome everyone to the first ever Rally Report powered by Slab Stocks and sponsored by Rally. We are thrilled to announce we have partnered with Rally to bring you all market updates on the fractional sports card collectible and memorabilia space. Rally is a platform that allows users to buy and sell shares of hundreds of collectible assets. You can check them out by downloading their app or using their desktop platform. We're sure many of you have heard of Rally before this, but one of their most important assets is the Honus T206, which was the first asset to cross the $1 million valuation on Rally. Hey everyone, a quick disclaimer here. This message is sponsored by Rally. RSC Archive LLC may be referred to individually as Rally entity. Rally is not a broker-dealer, and securities are offered to investors via registered broker-dealers and members of FINRA and SIPC. Any private security investments contain a higher degree of risk, and we urge you to review full details and disclaimer at rallyroad.com/disclaimer. Now let's get into this week's video. Each week there's a few different things that happen at Rally. One is they drop new initial offerings, giving users the ability to get in at the ground level of a given asset. The second way to invest on Rally is on the secondary market through their trading windows. Trading windows are scheduled Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and trading windows are where shareholders are able to put their shares up for sale and buyers are able to place a bid to buy them. At the end of the trading window, an asset will get repriced based on that day's trading activity. If you wish to partake in a given trading window, be sure to initiate a deposit of funds into the Rally app at least 24 hours before the window goes live. Another opportunity for your shares to sell is through a straight up buyout or exit. Rally fields offers for every asset on their platform after their initial offerings. If a qualified offer is received, Rally will send a survey to shareholders of the asset, and the asset could be sold off the platform, with investors receiving a cash payoff for their shares. Be on the lookout for IOs in the future, but for today's episode, we'll be covering one buyout offer from 2021 to show how that worked, and then a trading window from last week, and we're also going to look ahead to future trading windows. The first asset we're looking at today is the Pelé 1958 Editora Aquarela PSA 7 rookie card. The reason why we're talking about this asset isn't because of its future trading window, but it's because it already exited the Rally app. For the first episode, we want to detail an asset that was bought out. This specific card is an extremely tough grade as it is from a perforated sheet, and a lot of them were glued into albums in Brazil. This card was put up for an initial offering on December 16th, 2020 with an IO market cap of $26,500, which is $5 a share. This Pelé actually never even made it to a trading window because it received a qualified buyout offer for $54,590. After the shareholders voted to accept it, the exit was executed on February 17th, 2021, and when looking at the payout to those shareholders on that sale, it equated to 134% gain in value and a 106% net payout to the investors. The Pelé had a 65.29% approval rating, and to this day, the biggest buyout that occurred on the Rally platform was the Super Mario Bros. NES WATA 9.8 A+ that sold for a video game record for $2 million, which was over a 900% gain from the initial offering. Our next assets to analyze will be based around previous trading windows, looking at the market dynamics and how assets have changed over time on Rally. Of course, past performance is never indicative of future performance, but we're going to provide two examples for you to look into.
Slabstock's Nate here with the first trading window recap we are going to look at today. And this one actually occurred recently. The Roberto Clemente 1955 Topps Rookie SGC A was initially offered in May of 2020 at $38 per share, a market cap of 38,000 and 1,000 shares. Since the initial offering, it had 5 trading windows. The first trading window was on September 22, 2020, ending at a $39 valuation, a marginal increase of 2.6%. The next 2 trading windows on December 22, 2020 and March 4, 2021 both experienced no price increase, with share prices holding firm at $39 a share. The fourth trading window saw a significant amount of action as the price settled in at $49.50 a share, which is good for a 27% increase from the previous window. Now, the most recent trading window ended last week on September 16th, which is over a year after the initial offering. This led to the largest increase yet, as the new valuation was set at $77,000 or $77 per share. From the original IO, that's a 103% increase. Now let's look at the previous trading history on a basketball card with Aaron.
Aaron back, and we're looking at the 2003 SP Authentic LeBron James Auto numbered off 500 BGS 1010 Pristine. This card went up for an IO on February of 2021. 10,000 shares were offered, $23 per share, $230,000 market cap. This is one of LeBron's most sought after rookie cards of all time, especially in the on-card autograph category. The first trading window was on June 29th, and it did drop to $15 a share, which is a 35% decrease. This is indicative of moving markets on rallies. Sometimes assets trade higher than initial offerings, sometimes they trade lower, and that shouldn't really be a surprise to anyone because we do live and breathe the sports card market that changes every day. There's always something new, so be on the lookout for a trading window to see how an asset actually performs and if it goes up or down from the initial offering. Now that we looked at previous trading windows to give you an idea on how the markets change, we're going to talk about 2 trading windows that are coming up this week on the Rally app. If you'd like to participate in any of Rally's trading windows, you'll need to deposit money into your account at least 24 hours beforehand.
The first asset we're discussing is the Honus 1909 Sweet Corporal T206 card graded in SGC Authentic. It goes live for trading on Friday, September 24th at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. The T206 Wagner is the most famous trading card in history as well as the most expensive card ever sold. In August 2021, an SGC3 Honus Wagner sold for $6.6 million. T206 baseball cards were originally made by the American Tobacco Company to be put into cigarette packs to help sales. Honus decided this was not for him, whether out of disdain for cigarettes or because he wanted more money from the ATC. He pulled the plug on the production of his cards. Because of this, it is estimated that there are around 60 known Honus Wagner T206s in existence. Rally's Honus has an interesting story, as it was once donated to the School Sisters of Notre Dame, which is why it's nicknamed the Nuns Wagner. This Honus Wagner had an initial offering date of December 11, 2019, with 10,000 shares sold at $52 each. The initial offering market cap was $520,000. Since the initial offering, there have been 5 trading windows, with every trading window increasing in price per share from the previous. The first trading window was on May 19, 2020, and rose to $55 a share. The second trading window was on August 11, 2020, and share prices rose to $70 a share. The third trading window happened on November 10, 2020, and share prices rose to $75 a share. The fourth trading window occurred on April 8, 2021, and had a significant increase to $95 a share, a 27% increase. The most recent trading window happened on June 28, 2021, and ended at $100.05 a share, a 92% increase from the initial offering, and put the market cap at $1,500,000, which made it the first offering on the Rally platform to cross the $1 million threshold.
The first asset up for trading is the 03 Upper Deck Exquisite Patch Auto numbered off 100 BGS 9 of Kobe Bryant, and this asset goes live on September 22nd at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. This card comes out with one of the most important sets of all time, the inception of Exquisite Collection Basketball in 2003. At the time of release, this product was $500 per box, 1 pack per box. This was more than an entire case of regular Upper Deck at the time. Each 5-card Exquisite pack came in a wooden engraved box, featured 1 autograph patch, 1 rookie autograph patch, and then 3 additional cards. This card was first offered through Rally on October 6, 2020 for $4 a share, $23,000 market cap, which is 5,750 total shares. The first window for this was on January 21st, 2021, a 60% gain from $4 a share to $10 a share. The next trading window on the 25th of March was $12.50 a share, and it stayed constant up until May 28th at $12.50 a share, which is now a total market cap of $71,875. Comparing this to the LeBron James 2003 Rookie Patch Auto of 100 BGS 8 on Rally, his current market cap is at $46,000 with 2,000 shares offered, so $23 a share. The last time that LeBron was traded was on July 13th. One more interesting point about these 2 assets is that these were some of the first cards offered of the modern basketball type on Rally, as they went live near the end of 2020, and since then Rally has built out an extremely impressive offering of modern basketball grails. Alright everyone, that wraps up our first ever Rally report powered by Slab Stocks and sponsored by Rally. On top of the trading windows we covered for next week, there are a few more trading windows to watch out for. Today, a Michael Jordan game-worn uniform from the 1991 season is trading, and on Tuesday, a 63 Marvel Amazing Spider-Man #1, which is graded by CGC 6.5, that is in the top 13.5%, is going. On Wednesday, the NES Mike Tyson's Punch-Out WADA 9.4 is up for trading, and only one of those copies have ever been graded higher. Don't forget, make sure to download the Rally app and make a deposit 24 hours in advance of a given trading window so you're ready to pick up shares of different collectibles that you want and connect with. Thank you all so much for watching the first episode of the Rally Report, and we will see you all next week in the next Rally Report to break down more assets, more trading windows, and hopefully some initial offerings.